Ayaw kami pag-bill. Okay, hi guys. So today we're going job hunting around different hotels in our area. So, Alabang. Yeah, Alabang, Las Piñas, Cavite. Yeah. Update. Four out of
Nakaapat na kami na hotel.
4 out of 7 or 8
Lunch break.
na mga nagtitipid. Show my rice.
Awkward sa kami. So we're done eating and we're gonna go to our 5th hotel.
Yeah. So today is
Wednesday.
yeah. Okay, basta January something.
And we've been to 4 hotels na.
Yeah.
So we're here sa Crimson.
Former Crimson, iba na name.
Quest class na.
Quest Plus. So, yeah. Join us. Okay.
So we're inside.
So, coffee muna kami. Coffee break. Pangalawang coffee break.
Okay, sorry wala kaming mic. Intindihin nyo na lang. Okay, so we're gonna review yung mga pinuntahan naming hotel and kung saan namin gustong matanggap. So, ang una naming pinuntahan. First was the Excelsior Hotel. Sorry, nakat... Ayaw na yung mag-stay. Bakit kaya? Kaya okay. Yan na lang. Yan. So, gusto namin doon kasi we like the ambience. And parang mas, I don't know, it feels light. Mas maliwanag. Tapos, parang konti lang tao.
Because it's January.
Konti lang tao. And then, parang friendly din naman yung staff. Sige. So, let's put category.
Yeah. So for hospitality.
Yung welcome. Yung pag-welcome nila. Pag-welcome. Hospitality. Tapos, convenience. Ongoing there.
Transportation.
And then, ambience. O, yun na lang. Okay. So, hospitality nila. Mabait si Kuya Guard. Pagpasok, okay naman.
Yeah.
Okay naman. Binati din kami ng guard. Pinagbuksan ng pinto. Tapos, we ordered na lang sa coffee shop kasi we like the place.
In terms of hospitality, I'd rate it 9.
9 out of 10. Wow, taas ah. 9 out of 10. Alam ko na yung 10 mo. It's 9 out of 10. Tapos,
But
hospitality. Siguro mga 8. And then, sa other one, convenience. Very convenient. 10 out of 10.
yeah, especially for me. Kasi
10 out of 10. Walking distance. Ako mga dalawang sakay. Pero okay lang. And then, ambience. I like the ambience. Although, di ako nakapunta sa lobby. Pero, according to her, maganda naman.
Yeah.
Mga, sige, how would you rate?
8.
I'll go with 8 then. Okay, next. Where did we go? Brittany. Okay, Brittany Hotel. Cavite naman. Let's go Cavite.
So far.
Okay, so yung welcoming, hospitality, mga 3.
Kasi
Actually-
kami, welcome.
Yeah.
Ano
No.
sino ba naman tayo, no?
Although, yung una naming pagdating, walang tao like, sa labas. And then, hindi namin alam sa yung entrance na doors. And then, pagpasok, hindi kami pinagbuksan ng pinto. And then, hindi kami pinapansin ng
May
guard.
two guards.
There's 2 guards. And, wait, hindi kami tinignan. Or, kami pa lumapit.
They're just looking at their phones.
Kami pa bumati sa kanila. Yan. Pero tapos tinuro kami sa receptionist. The receptionist was accommodating naman. Because of her, sige, 5 na lang. Because she was welcoming,
Yeah, the
and then,
lobby.
yeah, the
I think it's the
lobby.
lobby.
Yeah, sa lobby. Siya yung parang receptionist ng lobby. She was in-accommodate
So
na
nice.
kami. Mabuhay greeting. Hospitality
I
ko 5.
like 4 because of ano,
Yeah.
the
Kasi
receptionist.
right, if you go to a hotel, you want them to open the doors for you. That's it, the basic, the most basic. I didn't even know which door to enter. Hindi namin alam kung entrance or exit. Basta yun. Okay, tapos convenience, it was so hard. Ang hirap makapunta.
No, for
Maybe
you,
a commute. Eh, yung commute na yun, mahirap pa rin.
from
Kung may kotse ako, madali lang. Kung magko-commute ako, it's kinda hard compared sa iba. I wouldn't recommend it. And then,
for me, 5, kasi ang layo niya from Amaya.
yeah.
From my condo. So, parang ang layo niya lang talaga. And then the pamasahe.
Medyo pa.
Medyo.
Ako mga 6.
Ambience.
Ambient. Para siyang coffee shop.
Yeah, I kinda like it in terms of ano. Yes.
Yeah, parang business siya. Compared sa Excelsior na parang family resort.
Parang pagpasok mo
Yeah.
super serious.
Yeah, serious. Parang mga nagbe-business meeting. Very serious sila.
Yung Excelsior, it's like, yun nga, family.
Yeah, family.
Tapos bilang
Sa
corporate.
Brittany,
or
parang
something
corporate.
Serious.
Okay naman yung ambience. Mga 7. 7 for me.
I'd say 6.
Okay, next we went to the hotel. The hotel in Alabang area.
Yeah.
So, doon,
Hospitality land. Diba?
hindi ba yan yung isa? Azumi yung
Ay, sorry. Oh.
Not yet, not.
Oh.
Azumi yung malayo pa tayo.
Okay.
Redo. So, the hotel. Okay naman ako, 9, mga 9 siguro. 9 for me, hospitality, because the guards were welcoming, they opened the door, pagpunta namin sa receptionist, in-accommodate agad kami. Although sa B-Hotel, medyo madaming OJT ngayon. So,
Super
parang ang
daming tao sa
daming
lobby.
tao. Too much. Too many people.
Yeah. Daming employees, daming OJ. Interns.
Yeah.
So, parang walang room for us.
So, parang hindi kami matatanggap doon.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, yun, hospitality 9.
Yeah, 9.
Convenience. Okay lang din sa akin.
Ako 9 din.
9. I think 9 din sa akin. Sa'yo, isang sakay lang.
Yeah.
Ako dalawa. Pero okay. 9.
Ambience. Yeah, so, ambience.
The ambience was like, maliit lang. Because it's just small. So, parang you don't want to stay sa lobby. That much. You don't want to stay sa lobby.
Ganun kadami tao.
It's kinda small. A lot of people. Medyo crowded nung time na yun. Would I want to stay there? I don't know what the room looks like. Pero yung lobby.
I would say 6 for ambience.
Ako 7. Okay. And then,
Kailangan natin ito balikan after months.
yeah, babalikan. Tapos, ano,
Next
Azumi.
is
Sila yung hospitality 10.
Yeah.
10 out of 10. You know why?
Stairs pala kami. Pinaksan na nila yung door. They're
Not
like,
not just 1, but 2.
they're like, hi.
Hi, welcome.
You're very friendly, kind, welcoming. Like, all in all, super nice. Nung ano nila.
That's my friend.
Nakita ka niya?
No, I don't think so. Okay. Ano? Azumi. Okay, 10 out of 10.
Yeah.
Hospitality. Yeah. Kinuha din naman resume namin. Okay. Ang What's next?
Hindi tayo
Convenience.
Convenience.
Okay din,
ano
10.
yan? Nine.
9.
Pero yung ambience kasi, hindi tayo nakapasok. Hindi kami nakapasok. So,
Ay, oo.
hindi tayo nakita.
Hindi kami pumasok. Oo nga.
Actually, naisip ko kanina.
I don't remember it kasi. Oo nga, hindi tayo
Hindi
pumasok.
nakapasok.
Nag-picture
Yung
lang kami sa labas. Kasi tinuro agad kami sa guard. Tapos kasi kung papasok kami, coffee na naman.
Okay.
Funny. Okay, funny story.
Sayang.
Nagtipid kami ng lunch. Nagtipid kami ng lunch. So may rice, pero nagkakape kami. Na mahal. Mas mahal pa sa lunch namin.
Kasi kailangan namin pumasok. Nakakahiya.
Ayan. So we did that. Azumi. Convenience, ambience. Ambience, we don't know. So, undefined.
We'll just check on.
Yeah. I'll just give it a 6.
Sige, sa labas na lang. Exterior.
Exterior-wise. Okay naman siya. 6.
Okay naman. Yeah.
Well, after
Sana lang
that,
meron silang name.
yeah, a bigger name sa
Oo.
building. Kasi ang liit lang ng name, tapos tago pa siya. Like, there's so many trees,
Mas
so
tago yung view,
hindi siya masyadong daming trees. Although, magkadikit lang naman yun. So, sana matanggap siya sa isa, tapos ako sa isa.
Yes, parang may kapit tayo. Sabi nga may kapit.
Kapit bahay, kapit
Okay.
hotel. Okay.
Next
Yes.
is last.
Ito na yun, no?
Yeah,
Last one. Quest Plus. The former Crimson. Yun, they also made us go sa employee entrance. Siguro convenience to go here. I'll give it an 8 because mas mahaba ang lakad.
Ako 7. Kasi, I think kapag rush hour, super traffic dito. Kahit isang sakay lang ako, feeling ko ang traffic dito. So, baka, pag
Baka
dito,
traffic
ditong lugar,
area.
super traffic. When it's rush hour.
Pero yung pasok mo naman, hindi rush hour.
Kasi uwian mo ako 4.
Ah, okay. Yun,
If
yun.
ever
Pag
back-
pauwi.
Oh yeah, ano pala, yung position or field na want namin is back office, front office, and events. So, tingnan natin
Tapos
kung
tayo sa
ano yun.
sales.
Tapos naging ano, ang dami, naging room.
Roman. Housekeeping pala. Maglilinis ng balak. Mahirap kaya yun. So, hirap yun. Yan. So,
So,
either
hospitality, they're very, ano naman, proud kami.
yeah.
So,
Okay lang.
7?
Although, pinagbuksan kami.
Yeah, may nabuksan naman.
Kaso one door lang kaya. Sa Azumi kasi 2 doors. Okay naman. Mga
Okay
8.
naman.
Tapos, ambience.
Yan.
It's kind of fancy. I feel so...
Yeah.
Parang I don't belong. Joke lang. Maganda naman eh. Tsaka
Ano
parang...
yan? 7 or 8?
I'll go 8.
It's okay naman. In terms of, for example, couple.
Magde-date kayo.
Yeah. I think that's all.
Abangan.
Namiss ako sa West Pass kasi may self-check-in sa lang.
Yeah. So,
Yeah.
high
So,
tech.
parang for all about, ewan ko, check ko nga, i-check ko, search ko yun. Kung may self-check-in na rin sila. Sana may sense.
Sana may sense yun.
Kung wala man,
Okay lang. Para
Kaya
sa...
nakikinig.
Nagre-reflect lang kami.
nakikinig lang kayo. Ay, Viva May. Hindi tayo bubasa sa Viva.
Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam.
Or wala tayo time. Let's see. Kung may time pa.
Let's see.
Bye.
Wait for us. Ito nga pala ang aming background. Kasi baka magtaka sila na may matik. Okay, hi.
Hi.
So, tapos na kami sa aming adventures. Pauwi na kami. But before we went home,
What a plot twist.
yan, na-libre. Wala, they showed hospitality. 10 out of 10 na pala.
Thank you very much.
Okay, bye.